The ring comes in for polishing. It's been scratched, it's been worn, and the customer would like it nice and bright and shiny again. Step 1, emery board with an emery paper to reduce the big scratches that are already on the ring. Step 2, the inside of the ring, polishing them on a felt stick which has a grease and a grip. The compound we use is called the blue. Step 3. To lap the sides on the ring is to get them nice and mirror finished. This is done on a round felt wheel, in which case we use the same blue compound grip, moving it constantly and getting all the sides to a nice mirror finish. Step 4 is we now switch to a calico mop, which is made out of canvas. This will get into all the small gaps and nicks and places that the felt mop couldn't. Step 5, now we're getting to the higher polish of the ring. For this we use what's called a Swansdown mop. This is a soft cotton mop, and we use a fine yellow powdered grit, basically the same as we've done with the calico mop, only with this softer mop. Step 6, Swansdown pink mop is a larger mop, but the compound we use for this is very fine indeed. This is a platinum finish, fine. This will really, really bring it up. Step 7, we're now going to put it in a sonic water tank, which will agitate any grease that has been left in the ring from the polishing on the mops. Job done.